if we go back to this sort of idea of the masculine norms inventory, it's interesting to see how many of those kind of reference embodiment in some way, whether through violence, dominance, being a kind of a playboy and playing the field, having power over women, being physically tough. And so we want to kind of explore how men engage with their bodies in that kind of context, how men think about the kinds of bodies that they should have. So when we come back to Butler again, gender is an embodied thing. It's a thing that bodies do and perform. As Raewyn Connell suggests, they're arenas where we make gender, if you like. So masculinity is constantly referring back to a male body, but is not necessarily determined by male biology. And obviously that's most kind of strongly challenged in non-binary and transmasculine identities.